Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing about the Garnier hair color. So I'm just going to give you all a quick recap of the previous video so you'll get an idea of what I'm going to be discussing in this one. So let's go ahead and see the recap. So this is how the color looks in the sun. Definitely looks pretty, but it's not as I expected it. So now that you all have seen the recap, let's discuss about the product. So I tried the shade 5.32, which was caramel brown, and I left the color on my hair for approximately 30 minutes, and I believe that should have been enough, but I don't know, maybe I should have kept it for like 45 minutes. So it did not show up on my hair, and like you all can see the color right now, I've just got a slight brown highlight on the hair right now. This is how the hair looks in the sunlight. Now this is captured after at least 2 to 3 weeks. Like you all can see my hair color, it has become a shade lighter for sure. But this is not what I was expecting. I was expecting the caramel brown shade. And I have always been into brown tone shades. But unfortunately this one didn't work for me. So honestly, I've never colored my hair at home before. I have always been to the salon and gotten different hair colors and highlights. So I really wanted to try this option because come on, it's very budget friendly for sure. And who doesn't want to get their hair colored at home? Why would we want to go to a salon and spend like way more money and basically get the hair color that we can get it at home? So I thought of trying this out. Turns out it was a really bad decision. Now I'm not sure if I tried the wrong shade for my hair or something. I think I will be going for the shade plum red. So I'm not too sure, either plum red or raspberry red. But I'm definitely planning on going for the red shade. Let's see if that works for my hair. But now, like y'all can see, I'm not really happy with the hair color. I expected something way better. So let me know if y'all have had such experiences, or maybe if y'all have had a better experience with the color. Let me know in the comments, so maybe I'll get a better idea as to where I have gone wrong in terms of using the color, applying it, or any of that. So I just wanted to put down my experience regarding the color, and I'm definitely not happy with how it has turned out on my hair. I definitely expected something that will look way more brown and will be more visible. So like you all must have seen in the recap as well, the color was not even visible in the sun, and in fact it's just visible in certain specific lighting. There is a reason that I've colored my hair like I've done a global color, because I definitely wanted it to be visible in normal lighting as well, and of course in the sun, but not in like specific lightings in specific places. But yes, I'll definitely like to say one thing, that it has not damaged my hair for sure. My hair is still soft. In fact, what I've noticed is my hair became little more softer than it was before. So definitely when it comes to like damage of the hair or anything, the product has definitely not done anything bad to my hair. Please let me know if you all have had any such experiences with coloring your hair at home or with the Garnier hair color specifically. So let me know, and let me know which shade I should try next, if I should go for plum red or raspberry red. I am going to be giving Garnier another chance, so let's see how that works for me. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.